The anticipation builds as the cloth is pulled back, revealing the futuristic smart doorbell glistening under the studio lights. Its textured surface and sleek design beckon for a closer look. Watch as fingers glide over the smooth metallic casing, pausing at the LED ring that casts a soft ambience. A gentle click unlocks its unique feature, a 360-degree camera that captures every angle at your doorstep. Listen to the satisfaction of plastic wrap peeling, followed by the sharp click of the button that activates the device, lighting up the room. Fast-paced cuts highlight both its discretion and comprehensive security, sparking excitement among tech enthusiasts. One touch, and a world of innovation is at your fingertips. Absolutely worth it.